In the hustle and bustle of today's world, finding peace and wellness within the walls of our homes is more important than ever.
Especially when you're living in a multifamily home where the sense of community and personal space blend together. At Amenify, we believe that your home should be your sanctuary, a place where wellness and mindful living are not just possible, but encouraged.
That's why we offer a range of services designed to enhance your living experience, making wellness an integral part of your daily routine.
Imagine starting your day in a home that's not only clean and organized, but also harmonious and peaceful, thanks to Amenify's professional cleaning services.
Or envision preparing a nutritious meal with ease, with fresh ingredients delivered right to your door, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones. And for our pet-loving residents, we haven't forgotten about the wellness of your furry friends. Our pet services ensure they're well cared for, even on your busiest days.
With Amenify, all these services and more are just a tap away, integrating seamlessly into your lifestyle and empowering you to live more mindfully. But mindful living isn't just about individual wellness. It's about building a community that supports and uplifts each other.
At Amenify, we're more than just a service provider. We're your partner in creating a lifestyle that embraces wellness, community, and peace of mind.
Because we believe that mindful living should be easy and accessible to everyone, right where you live.
Discover how Amenify can enhance your living experience. Visit us today at www.amenify.com and take the first step towards a more mindful, wellness-focused lifestyle.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.